So, we arrived early to our location for the photo shoot. So we're just gonna kill time by vlogging or doing whatever Layla's doing. I am going to have someone vlog for us. He's already covering his face, look. This is my cousin Aiden. Hi!
I just wanna find a way to get out of my mind, craving validation from some people I don't like. I don't know them, so why am I caring so much? I don't know. Started when I was 15. Some friends went and ditched me. It manifested itself into an insecurity that I just wasn't good enough. Maybe that's how it always was. Then when I was 21, I flew out to Cali, met with a booking agent east side of the valley, but took it way too personal when I never heard back from him. Why do I care so much? I just wanna find a way to get out of my mind, craving validation from some people I don't like. I don't know them, so why am I caring so much? I don't know. I just wanna find a way to get out of my mind, craving validation from some people I don't like. I don't know them, so why am I caring so much? I don't know. Scared to post on the internet, overthink every comment. My brain can find a negative in any compliment. I'm still trying to fix it. How much time will it take me? I don't know. Wanna be done with the sick of writing about. Getting pretty dark, but gotta figure it out, cause gotta figure it out, cause I gotta make a change, get out of my way. I just wanna find a way to get out of my mind, craving validation from some people I don't like. I don't know them, so why am I caring so much? I don't know. I don't know. I just wanna find a way to get out of my mind, craving validation from some people I don't like. I don't know them, so why am I caring so much? I don't know. I don't know. Wanna be done with the sick of writing about. Getting pretty dark, but gotta figure it out, cause gotta figure it out, cause I gotta make a change, get out of my way. I just wanna find a way to get out of my mind, craving validation from some people I don't like. I don't know them, so why am I caring so much? I don't know. I don't know.
So